Let's take a moment to look at the cloud services architecture. Each cloud instance, or pod as it's known, contains three main elements: the cloud administration service, a development or test application, and a production application. The cloud administration service acts as an administration point for the whole pod and is used, amongst other things, to create and provision user access for the two underlying applications. The migration functionality of the system allows for application snapshots to be taken within each application instance, and these can be exported locally if required. Finally, data management can be used to move data between applications, both within the pod and without.